In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly use Docusign on your Android device. We'll take you through a simple process, ensuring you're up and running in no time. So, grab your Android phone and let's dive right in. To begin, the first thing you need to do is navigate to the Docusign website. Once there, locate the login option, typically found at the top right corner of the screen. Clicking this will prompt you to enter your credentials, so go ahead and input your username and password, then hit the login button to access your account. Upon successful login, you'll be directed to the Docusign home. This is your main dashboard where you can manage your documents, track signatures, and much more. Spend a moment familiarizing yourself with this layout as it's the central hub for your electronic signing operations. Next, identify and click on the Help option, commonly represented by a question mark or a similar icon. Here you'll find a wealth of resources and guidance to assist you with any queries or challenges you might encounter while using Docusign. But since we're focusing on mobile accessibility today, proceed to the next step where you need to find the option that says Download Mobile Apps. Selecting this will direct you to various download links for different platforms. For Android users, our goal is to visit the Google Play Store. Within the Download Mobile Apps section, you should see a dedicated link to the Play Store. Click on this link and you'll be taken directly to the Docusign app within the Play Store. If you haven't downloaded the app yet, do so now by tapping on Install. This will ensure you have the app on your device, granting you the flexibility to manage your documents on the go. Once the installation completes, open the app and log in using your Docusign credentials. The mobile app mirrors many features of the desktop version, but is tailored for ease of use in mobile environments. You can now conveniently send documents for signing, track their progress, and receive notifications right from your Android phone. Remember, the key advantage of Docusign's mobile app is its ability to offer seamless signing capabilities anytime and anywhere. By following these simple steps, you've now set the foundation to handle document signing directly from your phone, saving you time and enhancing productivity. Thanks for joining us in today's tutorial. We hope this guide helps you navigate Docusign on Android with ease. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to explore the help section we mentioned earlier, or check out additional resources provided by Docusign. Until next time, happy signing.